Welcome back to part 2 of our Isaac Sim simulation where the data flow from Studio 5000 to Isaac Sim. In the previous video, we established the PLC connection. Today, we are going to take it in the next level by using ActionGraph to create the animation logic. Here we have our pump. This is a rotation part. I need to rotate this part. Also, for the temperature, I will heat up one motor part to simulate the temperature. If I check the stage of the motor, you have this part for the rotation, and I will be using this one for the temperature. So when the temperature will change in the PLC, we'll need to assign a color. The high temperature will be close to red color. To do that, we need a new tool from Isaac Sim. We call it an ActionGraph. What will happen here? Let's open ActionGraph environment. We'll connect the data from PLC to Isaac Sim using a node script. So it's important to make sure that you are not using the same script to talk with the PLC. I have one specific script node just for communication between Studio 5000 and Isaac Sim, and this script will flow the data to the node script node. In this presentation, I will be building 3 blocks. Next, we are going to create script node. The one will be calling PLC reader. The second one will be PLC motor rotation color. When we trigger the rotation, when the pump starts, this one will be rotated with a color. And the other one will be for the temperature. So when the temperature of the pump increases, the color will switch. Now let's start presentation. When you open the ActionGraph, you have this presentation. You can select any block you want here depending on what you are building. In our case, we need a script node because we have a script, so this script needs to be connected to the PLC. I will start by clicking in New ActionGraph. The key step here is to add the script inside in your block, then add the input and the output depending on what you try to do. My first block will be calling PLC reader. I will copy the code I just showed you. The next, we need to create the input. So the communication is based on something. In the script, I build the communication using the Pi logic protocol. I will need the IP address to make that communication and the time flow. Let's create the input and output. Next, we are going to create a new script node. This new script node will be triggered by the PLC script node. You can change the view if you see that the script node taking too much space and you want to have a better view. You come in Layout, Visual Script, and you have your script node visible here. The trigger temperature will come from the PLC reader script node. The next, we are going to make sure that the execution will be starting when we press the button start. You need to make sure that you will have execution in every script node block you have in your action graph. Good, now we are ready for a real-time synchronization. Watch what happens when we start the button in Isaac Sim. Our temperature change in the motor. That's amazing. The script node handle our custom Python code. Very good. Let's check the simulation and see if our pump run when we start the button. Watch what happens when I will press the button start here. Now let me check. Maybe you see you have a console here saying that the communication is not going through. Let's check the action graph. Oh yes, we do not have a second motor here. Let's start again. I connect Isaac Sim with Studio 5000 and then I will restart. Now my pump is running. We made it. I wanted to show you how sometimes I need to troubleshoot the system can have an issue with the script and nothing working, so you need to find where is the issue. Now I have my pump running and I see the simulation there. Our pump is now animated in real time based on PLC data. In the next video, we'll add AI predictive maintenance to detect when this pump needs attention. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one.